Hello guys, welcome to my channel CraftsWithShammu. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Hey guys, today we are going to make this pretty gold stone studded designer silk thread earrings. They look so awesome, so without wasting time, let's get started. Take some gold color silk thread and wrap around the lid for about 20 to 25 times. Cut in the center and glue the ends. Now take size 1 Jhumka base and glue one end of the thread to the base. Let it dry for some time and start wrapping the silk thread around the base. And guys, you can check out my tutorial on Jhumka wrapping. The link is in the description box. After you're done, this is how it looks. Now take some gold stone chain. Mark the length and glue the chain to the Jhumka. Do this until you completely wrap the Jhumka. This is how it looks. Now insert a pin and put a stone ball over it. Bend the ends with the plier and half of the job is done over here. Now it's time to make the stud. To do so, take some thick paper and stick a kundan to it. Let it dry and stick a stone chain over it. Now cut off the paper. Now take a stud and glue this to the stud using hot glue gun. You can also use Fevicol, but hot glue is really good. Now using a jump ring, attach both of them together. That's it, you're done. They're so adorable and you can match it with any outfit. And I make ton of videos like this, so do check out them. And yeah, subscribe. So meet you in my next video. Until then, happy crafting guys, and bye bye.